Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to revisit our T-Mobile home network modem. Now, it's been almost 2 weeks since I installed the device, and it's been our primary home network internet provider. And no, I'm not being sponsored by T-Mobile to sponsor this video in any shapes or fashion. So basically, what's the 2-week verdict on this modem and internet provider? Well, simply, we just love it. Plain and simple, just like that. So if you caught my last episode on T-Mobile Home Network, I already covered on how easy it was to self-install the device, how straightforward the billing process was of the $50 flat fee, which includes all the taxes and any managing fees. And there's no introductory price offers unlike Cablevision or Comcast, no hardware rental, sign-up fees, or installation fees. I mean, how easy can that be? I'm still in disbelief how T-Mobile can keep the price so low while offering no data cap whatsoever. Now, if you don't believe me, look at my data usage over the past 2 weeks. And my download speeds and upload speeds are still spitting out the same numbers in my first video from 2 weeks ago. I do have to remind my audience that the 4G internet is still a pilot program and probably one of T-Mobile's best programs. It's a complete game changer, and just recently T-Mobile just added an additional 130 cities, towns across the United States. This was only made possible due to the merger with Sprint Mobile back in April 2020, which I definitely helped boost T-Mobile's network and ease congestion issues. But what really got me excited about T-Mobile is that their potential 5G internet. Yes, 5G speeds. Now, the current T-Mobile CEO, Mike Sievert, on their last Q3 2020 conference call, didn't give any clear indication of when the rollout will start, but Mike Sievert could only tease on the company's earnings call that it's still continuing to lay down the groundwork for a wider 5G home internet service that will be arriving very soon. However, based on rumors, the 5G internet will start rolling out in Q1 or Q2 in 2021, which is very interesting. However, based on my conversation with some of T-Mobile's customer support, this will entail sending their current customers a brand new home internet modem with 5G support. But that's not the biggest surprise, and no one has ever mentioned this before until now. But the modem will fix the current IP4 to IP6 Nat issue, which was one of the biggest grip that I have T-Mobile internet, not being able to port forward or anything. And it was a huge deal breaker. So hopefully T-Mobile will roll out their next gen modem soon enough. So let me know if their new 5G home network in 2021 will convince you to make the switch, or are you guys still waiting for Tesla's Starlink? Now that's all I have for today. Hit the like button if you found the information informative. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. It helps encourage me to develop more content for all my viewers. Now, if you have any thoughts, comments, or suggestions, leave them in the section below. Until then, Netflix and chill.